Health, good morning, healthy tips mga guys. Ito, may fruits tayo. Mango, and then my lemon juice. Lumpia, ano yan? Vegetables lumpia. Ketchup, and then rice. Ayan, healthy living na. Ang iyong tinderang vlogger ng Agusan, guys. Ayan. Let's eat, guys. Para naman tayo ay papayat. Papayat pa ba, guys? Parang hindi na. O, diba? Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.